A thumbnail is the only part of your video that people judge before they experience it. And humans are incredibly good at judging quickly. In fact, most decisions online happen in seconds, sometimes less, which means your thumbnail isn't competing for minutes of attention. It's competing for moments, a glance, a heartbeat, a split second. That's all you get. And in that split second, your thumbnail has to answer 3 silent questions. Why should I care? Why should I stop? Why should I click? If it can't answer those questions instantly, the scroll continues, and your video disappears into the noise. That's why thumbnails are so powerful. Because they control the entrance to everything else. No click, no views, no watch time, no growth. Everything starts with that first decision, the click. And the click starts with emotion, not logic. People click because something surprised them, interested them, challenged them, made them curious, made them feel like they were about to miss something important. That's why a great thumbnail isn't just good design, it's good psychology. It's understanding what makes people stop and pay attention. Because attention is the most valuable currency on the internet, and your thumbnail is the first investment people make in your content. The question is, are you giving them a reason to invest?